Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take English second paper class for class 8. Our today's topic is email writing. Today's lecture number 6 and homework number 6 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look here. Our today's topic is email writing. The first topic for email is write an email to your friend asking him to return the book he borrowed. So you have to send an email to a friend asking him to return a book that your friend borrowed. Let's look at the answer. At first you have to include a part name to. Here you have to write the email address of the person you are sending the email to. So we have written an email address here, wxyz@hotmail.com. Next we need to write the subject. The subject for this email is for returning a book. You should keep it as short as possible and don't copy the question here. Please note that sometimes you do it when you are writing, but don't copy the question into the subject line. Then the salutation part, Dear X, I just received your email full of good news. After the salutation, the body has started. See, I just received your email full of good news. We are all happy to share the news of your brilliant result. My final examination is near at hand. I am at present badly in need of the book Advanced Learners Communicative English by Choudhury and Hossain, which you borrowed from me long ago. Since you do not need the book at present, I request you to kindly return it as soon as possible. If you need it again, you can take it from me after my examination. So the main part of the body ends here. Next, hoping you to be hale and hearty. Here the email is ending. Then yours ever, Y. This is the closing. Okay dear students, so let's look at the format of the email again. At first you have to include the address of whom you are sending the email to. Then the subject line, then salutation, and then you start writing the body. You should learn it and write it properly. And then at the end of the body, end the email and make the closing and write yours ever or yours sincerely or yours friend and then your name. So follow this format and do the homework. Your homework is email number 2. Write an email to your foreign friend asking him to visit your country. So follow the format when writing this email and be careful of spelling and grammar. The topic is write an email to your foreign friend asking him to visit your country. Okay dear students, so please be careful and do the homework properly and maintain the format of the email. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.